tapped on this video because you want to master simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. I wouldn't waste your time. Let's proceed. Question number 1. Most students solve it this way. This is what they do. They write the equations and then they add everything. It's wrong. I advise you don't go by this method. See what this student is about to do. And this is what 99% of students do. This is what they do and they get stuck. Okay, so in this video I'll show you the right way to do this work. So we want to get rid of one variable. So now positive y minus y will give you 0 because plus 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, so we are doing whatever it takes to eliminate the y off so that we get only one variable. Okay, so now x plus x is 2x. Good, so now plus y minus y will give you 0. Okay, you see this scenario, 0, because the 2's are the same. So now y and y is the same, so 0. You see the trick? Good. So now it's going to be 2x plus 0 is equal to 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Very easy, right? Good. So now 2x is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12. This is a very simple equation. See how you have simplified a simultaneous equation to get a simple linear equation. It's fun and easy. You divide both sides by 2. So now x is equal to 6. Very easy. Simultaneous equation, we need two answers. One for x and one for y. So we are about to find for y. Okay, so now to find for y, you put x equal to 6 in any of the equations. Either equation 1 or equation 2. So I'm picking equation 1. I'm picking equation 1. Okay. So now to find y, so I'll rewrite equation 1. X plus y is equal to 10. So now x is equal to 6. I'll place it there. Okay. So but x is equal to 6. So where I see x, I'll put 6. Good. A simple linear equation. Have we seen that? So y is equal to 4. Very easy. If you don't like maths, but I don't know, maths is very fun. Good. So we are done with question 1. Very easy. Now I won't waste your time. Let's move to question 2. By the end of this video, you would master simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. Don't skip any parts. Let's go. So now this one, you realize when you add plus 1 and minus y, you get 0. Okay, you get 0. So I'm using the elimination method, you get 0. So now 2x plus x. Okay, so first of all, you write the equations and you label it. It's very essential. Okay, I'll tell you why. So now you realize that 2 minus 2 is 0, right? Because 2 and 2 is similar. Y and y is similar. So automatically when you add plus y to minus y, it becomes 0. It's like it disappears. Okay, so you get a simple linear equation. So now you add equation 1 plus equation 2. You see I labeled these two equations with the numbers. I'm just finding it easy to represent them. Okay, do you understand this math? Very easy. So now I've gotten a simple linear equation. So now 3x plus 9 is equal to 0, right? Good. Very easy. Very easy. Okay, so now we are finding for y. So to find y, we will put x equal to 3 either in equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, any one. So equation 1, let's use equation 1, or you can use equation 2. So now I'll write equation 1. Good. So wherever I see x, I'll put x is equal to 3. Okay, you see it. So the 2 and the x are multiplying. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6. Do you get it? Multiplication is easy. Okay, you should know from the 2 times table to at least 15 times table. Okay, so now y is equal to, so when this crosses the equal to sign, it becomes minus 6. Very easy. So now y is equal to 2. So you represent your answer. Very neat. Okay, I'll leave question number 3 to you. And I know Students, some of you are very genius, are very good, okay, and I'll be needing the answers in the comments. Okay, it's a very tricky question, so per this explanation I believe each and everyone can solve this question. Okay, good, but I'll try for you because I can see some of you, the look on your faces is very funny. Okay, someone is asking the y, the numbers in front are not the same, so when you add you not get 0. Fine, it's very easy. I'll start for you, but I want you to end it and leave your answers in the comments. Okay, good. Thank you all. If you find this very useful, you know what to do, because you might not find this video anymore. Okay, so you subscribe, you do whatever it takes so that you keep getting informations and updates like this. Okay, so now you see what I'm doing. I'm trying to make the coefficient of the y the same. So you multiply minus y by 2.